Welcome to our YouTube channel. I once imagined standing on Mercury, the closest planet to the sun, and my brain screamed, "No way! But what if we really lived there? What if humans set foot on this hellish, airless, and totally extreme world, where shadows freeze and sunlight scorches at the same time?" Get ready for an insane journey filled with astonishing facts, wild numbers, and brutal cosmic realities, because life on Mercury is unlike anything you've ever imagined. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, just 58 million kilometers away. That's nearly one-third the distance from Earth to the sun. As a result, the sun looks 3x larger in Mercury's sky, and it blazes with 7x more intensity. Standing there would feel like you're face-to-face with a cosmic furnace. A day on Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. That's right, one day is 2/3 of a year. You could literally watch the sun rise, reverse direction, and set again during a single Mercurian day. Your sense of time would completely break. Temperatures swing from plus 430 degrees C to 180 degrees Celsius. You'd boil on the sunny side and freeze solid just by stepping into shadow. If you stood with one foot in the light and one in the dark, one leg would roast while the other iced over. No suit could save you. Mercury has no atmosphere to spread heat. That's why the temperature swing is so extreme. There's no air to trap warmth or support life. Sound can't travel. You die in silence. Mercury has the biggest temperature difference in the solar system. Over 600 degrees Celsius of variation between night and day, hotter than Venus and colder than Mars on the same planet. The gravity is only 38% of Earth's, same as Mars. You'd be able to jump triple your normal height and carry heavy objects with ease, but without gravity workouts, your body would weaken fast. There's ice at Mercury's poles. Yes, ice. On a planet this close to the sun, in deep craters that never see sunlight, frozen water hides, protected from the heat for millions of years, it could be harvested for drinking, farming, or even fuel. The planet has a strange magnetic field. Despite its small size, Mercury has a magnetic field about 1% as strong as Earth's, generated by a molten iron core. It creates mini magnetic tornadoes when solar wind hits, blasting radiation into the surface. Mercury's core makes up 85% of its diameter. That's the highest core-to-planet ratio in the solar system. It's basically a massive metal ball with a thin crust, like a cosmic bullet made of iron. Solar radiation is lethal. Standing on Mercury without protection means instant death by UV and X-ray radiation, thanks to both the lack of atmosphere and Mercury's proximity to the sun. You'd burn from the inside out. You can see Earth and Venus clearly in Mercury's sky. Due to its orbit, Mercury gives a beautiful view of the inner solar system. Earth would shine like a bluish evening star, reminding you how far from home you really are. The planet rotates slowly but orbits quickly. It orbits the sun in 88 Earth days but spins so slowly that its day is twice as long as its year. You'd live through scorching months of sunlight, then endless freezing nights. No moons, no rings, just raw exposure. Unlike every other inner planet, Mercury has no natural satellites to provide beauty or shelter. Just emptiness, rock, metal, and radiation. It's the most solitary place imaginable. The surface is ancient and cratered. There are impact craters billions of years old still untouched. Mercury is a fossil planet, preserving what the early solar system looked like. Walking there would feel like stepping into the solar system's time machine. Colonizing Mercury? Maybe, with extreme technology. Future robots or humans might build underground cities near the poles, using ice for water and solar panels for energy. But life would never be normal. It would be survival against the most hostile sunlight in the galaxy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Mercury is small, but fierce. A planet of extremes that pushes science, physics, and human endurance to the limit. Stick with us as we explore every mind-blowing what if the universe has to offer.